Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I am so unbelievably excited to share this brand new design with you. And this time I used the Paper Studio Peace, Love, and Happy Vibes. I could not get enough of this paper. 3 sheets of each design, and I had a ton of fun fussy cutting out all these different little layers of the butterflies. I just kind of wanted it to look like it was sprawling out. And then I kind of did like this little hidden little slit here for a cute little place for journaling or even small photos. It was just a blast to put together. I even did another little front cover rendition to kind of hide a couple little extra notes back there. Super fun. I designed this one specifically to hold 4x6 photos in a landscape and portrait style. And I even have these cute little pockets where we could put a couple 3x4s or wallet-sized pictures or even some journaling or cut-aparts even if you wanted there. Now this is kind of like I love this fussy cut element right here. Out of one of the larger 12x12 papers from the collection, I have a ton of this paper left. And this looks like a pouch, but it's actually a cute little pinwheel. And you can hold 10 pictures on this side. And so all these kind of just flap out right here. And you can even deck these out a little bit more. I thought to make a super quick gift idea because not everybody scrapbooks, so this fits totally 4x6 photos, uncropped. And here's 5 more over here, so you can hold a total of 20 plus pictures in this entire book, counting those cute little wallet spots. Right here. And I actually have the entire class totally 100% ready to go. And I'll leave that as a link down in the description. If you've never taken a class with me before, I'll leave one down in the description for you to check out and to kind of see if my teaching style is something you can learn from. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to hang out with me just to check this cute little simple quick gift idea and book. And maybe you can even make a book for you this season. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you in class. Bye.